Push button politics is all around. Wherever social ill is found, you'll see them in the lawmaker's chair, confirmed in the duty that they swear. Money, profits, and big name banks run society and all the think tanks. They shell out benefits to all they can and keep us stewing in a frying pan. Push the button and you will see that problems disappear with me. Give me your vote and grant me power, and into your life the benefit shower. Listen, people, and hear me out. Pushing buttons don't have no clout. Handouts and free stuff make things worse. Depression and misery, it's all a big curse. What we need to do is rescue ourselves and get away from all the food shelves. Our spirit needs a lot of reforming, and we should all be self-supporting. Push the button and you will see that problems disappear with me. Give me your vote and grant